The best low interest credit cards you can find. Yes, the best low interest credit cards you can find. Coming up now. This is Sean from the Smart Money Cafe. Welcome back. Uh, Times are weird right now, but we're under quarantine. But here's something. Right now is a great time for you to figure out what you're paying on your credit cards. Do you even know what interest rates you're paying? Guess what? They're begging for your business these days. Things are not the same as when you first got that credit card, okay? Right now in 2020, there's some really good rates going on, lower rates than we've seen in a really long time. So I have the 5 best credit card deals that I can find so far. In fact, they have zero interest rates, which I don't like those introductory offers because it's like for 3 months and then it skyrockets to 25%, or 6 months and it skyrockets. Guess what? And I'm going to read off of my computer here. I'm just going to flash back to it so you see my eyes go down. But hey, best low interest credit card rates for 2020. They're offering introductory offers of 0% interest for a year, 0% up to 15 months. And then, of course, it pops up to what the normal rate will be for you, anywhere from 13% all the way up to 25%. But my point is, I like for everybody to be debt-free, but I know the reality is we do use credit cards. So if we're going to use them, if you have credit card debt, why not shift that credit card debt over to these credit cards that are going to charge you zero interest during these weird financial times? So let's get moving. The first one I found, okay, is called a Capital One Venture One credit card. Capital One Venture One credit card. I love this part. No annual fee. Check your credit card. Does it have an annual fee? It probably does. It pops up on there and you don't even notice it. 2, introductory offer. 0 interest for the first 12 months. That doesn't mean buy new stuff. That means if you transfer your stuff over, boom, you're good. No interest. All right, number 2, City Rewards card. The City Rewards MasterCard. How's that working? No annual fee. They don't even want to charge you interest, 0 interest for 15 months, and then it's going to pop up to your 13% and up rate. Number 2, Wells Fargo Cashwise Visa credit card. Another one with no annual fee. Another one that doesn't charge you any interest for 15 months. Another one that's going to pop up to 13.99% and up when your time is up. But by then, hopefully your credit card will be paid off. And if it's not, shift it around to whatever's best for you at that time, okay? Let's see. I lost count, but here's another one. The Discovery card. I've never had a Discovery card. It's called Discovery card with cash back. 0 annual fee, no interest for 14 months, pops up to 13.9%. And the cash back they're talking about is you earn 5% cash back on everyday purchases like groceries, restaurants, etc. So they give you an extra incentive to rack up as much credit, as much debt as possible. Don't fall for that game, right? What did I say in another video that I heard from Dave Ramsey? The person who's in debt is a slave to the person who's holding the debt over their head, right? And lastly, this is either 5 or number 6. It's called a Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Let's see, earn a $150 bonus after you spend $500 in your first 3 months. I don't like to fall for that one. Earn 1.5% cash back on all purchases. Okay, but this is the part I do like. 0% annual fee, 0% APR for the first 15 months. We're on track there. This one pops up to about 17% interest once your time is up. That's it. Do me a favor, if this had any value to you or your family while you're at home under quarantine, pop that subscribe button, pop that like button so it'll show more people, and just run with me. If you have any comments or credit cards that you know about that are low interest that you might want to share, put it in the comments below, okay? This is Sean Rogers with the Smart Money Cafe. I'll see you next time.